What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Milady meme coin, which has gained over 20% in the last 24 hours. As you guys can see, majority of the pump coming from late last night and earlier this morning, and it is currently valued at this price range here. Again, not just Milady meme coin, but majority of the cryptocurrencies are on the green side today, with Bitcoin pumping over 7% in the last 24 hours, heading over $72,000, which is quite a major news for the crypto market. Hence why we are seeing majority of the cryptos pumping up in value. So today's focus is on Milady meme coin, looking at its long-term and short-term prediction in 2024. Is it a crypto still worth investing into? Because as you guys can see, it has not been performing too well over the last 2 months. However, is this the recovery point, and also is it a crypto to be investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, we are literally headed back. We have literally headed back into the green zone. Well, it has been in and out of the red and green zone over the last few weeks, as you guys can see, up and down. But right now we have broken out into the green zone, and yes, I'm expecting it to dip back down a little bit, down to the resistance level, bounce back up higher into the green zone is what I'm expecting over the coming weeks and months as well, potentially heading up even higher than that, but I will be going through that later on. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. And also, talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum is up nearly 20% in the last 24 hours. So that in itself is a major increase, because as you guys know, Ethereum is one of the top cryptos out there. So let's look at the candlestick pattern chart. We can see the crypto is trading at a slightly higher value than the SMA indicator here in purple, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction. Again, they're not looking too steep, meaning this is quite realistic. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, by the end of the day today, the crypto should essentially be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, is what my expectations are. However, don't get me wrong, doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting green candles. It is likely to take dips in between, hitting red candles, dropping down in value, and then pumping back up. So it is likely to be quite volatile with green and red candles, but what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, now we are looking a little bit too steep, guys. As you guys can see, both the blue and the orange line are heading upwards towards the bullish direction. So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of this week, early next week, Milady meme coin, yes, even though I'm expecting an overall increase in value, I'm expecting red days in between, as is done. Let's have a look here, just about 25% up in the last 24 hours. So it is slightly overvalued, and it's likely to go for a little bit of a price correction over the coming days before it starts to pump back up again towards mid to end of the week and early next week as well. So essentially, overall outcome should be a positive one, trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. And yes, I'm also expecting the crypto market to be moving towards a positive direction over the next few weeks as well. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks now, again, we're looking much more realistic. The lines are not looking too steep. Once again, we have the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction, meaning again an overall increase in value is what is expected from Milady meme coin over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys. Mid to late July 2024, the crypto should be trading at a much higher value than where it is at the moment. Yes, I'm expecting it to head up to where it was trading back in March, mid-March. As you guys can see, I'm expecting it to head up around that price range. However, it is cryptocurrency, it is a volatile market. Any little news out there can have a major impact, so that is why I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can, not just on Milady meme coin, but the crypto market in general. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So what I'm going to do now is get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale, the one that we saw at the start of the video. So as you guys can see, we are trading in the green zone right now, and over the coming days, as I mentioned, it is likely to go through a little bit of dips in between, meaning it should essentially head back down to the resistance level and then bounce back up towards mid to end of the week, heading up higher into the green zone, and potentially in June, July we should see a head up to the next resistance level and potentially head up into the dark green zone and into the blue zone by July, August is what my expectations are. However, there will be regular updates on this crypto, as cryptocurrency is a volatile market. So heading into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 120% in the last 24 hours, making it over $14 million in trading. However, I'm expecting the trading volume to go up even higher than where it is at the moment. As the pump is still ongoing, we're seeing more and more people trading the crypto, and the value of Milady meme coin should increase a little bit further over the coming days as well. Over the week, as you guys can see, it is up 21%, and over the month it is down 11%. So it all looks good on the short term chart, on the daily and weekly chart. However, zooming out a little bit to the monthly chart, it is down 11%, guys. So major drops here late April and early May, as you guys can see here, and right now it's slowly starting to recover, but the whole point is it has not fully recovered yet. It is just about starting to recover, so it's still got a long way to go for it to hit the green zone, shall I say. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Milady meme coin. I've seen a lot of comments out there saying the crypto is likely to get rid of 1.0 and so on and so on. Getting rid of 1.0 personally is going to be a huge task, or a huge percentage increase will be required, which I'm not expecting at the moment. However, let me know how high you guys are expecting this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. At the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.